My God, baby, you scared?
No.
Why not?
What's alarm?
No, it could be a real alarm.
Nobody's screaming out there.
Oh my God, there's something going on. Let's take this shake. I'm scared. I'll just continue eating. Tastes even better. I'll burn and eat and finish my meal. What about you? You just keep eating? Oh. Just gonna keep eating? Like nothing? And burn?
Unless it's for free, then that one.
Yeah. Okay, we could leave. We have to pay? Then you leave, right?
Yeah.
Can I have your attention, please? Have received an alarm in the building. Please stand by.
That's pre-recording me.
Huh?
That's pre-recording me.
It's okay. It's Las Vegas. This is how it is. Stuff like this happen. This is just part of the action. In and out.